What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Deer season's almost here. Well, we got another month and a half, but it's almost like it never went out. So it never stops. The summer flew by. It's July the 12th, I think now, and I'm heading back out to freshen up all my mineral sites. My cameras and stuff's been dead for like 2-3 weeks now. They had I was getting some pretty good bucks on there coming in, and then of course my batteries died and I ain't been back. I've been spending too much time on the lake, so we're gonna head over to Tractor Supply, get some more stuff, get some Big and J and some more trophy rock, all that good stuff, and might get a couple bags of corn and go put out. So figured I'd bring y'all along with me, and yeah, let's get ready. Hopefully this year, big buck down with the bow. I'm 41 and I ain't never killed a buck over a spike with the bow. So yeah, maybe this year, we're gonna see. So we're heading to get all this stuff, and then I'll get back with y'all when I get over here at Tractor Supply. I'm gonna stop at the store right quick. Give me old rain. Need to power up right quick. I'll see y'all in a minute. God, that stuff smells good. God, they'll be in here before dark. They'll probably be in here before I get home. That stuff, phew, smells good. All right, let's put this camera up and get up out of here. Let's see what it looks like over here. Yeah, I'll put it on this tree. I think this is where he usually puts it anyways. Alright, let me get my phone set up here. Get it connected through the app. This one ain't got no LCD screen on it, so. Alright, let's angle it up. Turn it to the right a little bit. Like right there, looks good. And let's go to the right a little. Beautiful. That's why I love these things. You can look at it on the app, angle it where you want it, and now that thing's a game changer right there. Y'all better get one of them. We're good to go. Let's turn the camera on and get up out of here. Camera on. Let's go. On to the next one. Looks good. What y'all think? Alright, y'all, I'm at the next spot here. I ain't put nothing out here in about a month now. The trophy rock's all gone. It's done soaked in, or they done chewed it up, but until they coming in here and kind of scratching around looking for it. Corn's looking great. Condo's still up, looking good. That one side we never painted, but whatever. I gotta get down here and put my stand back up. Put this stuff out here. Get out of here. As you can see, they're already knocking the corn down, eating it down right here. They always eat this area and go out through there. They come out right here a lot. For some reason they like this high side better, but they come out here and they're tearing it up over there too. So it's looking good. Let me get this stuff together and get it put out and get on to the third spot. Can't wait. Can't stop, won't stop. This is the part I love. Just getting stuff together. Got that Big and J. Little cone. Got some trophy rock. I forgot to put that out the other spot. It's covered up. But I'll just put half of it here and half of it at the other spot. Put half of this here, half, and the rest of that corn, and half of this other bag here. Yeah, let's get it. Swap my camera batteries out. Soak up some of that apple flavor. Put a little more in the middle here. Save that for the other spot. I don't know if my camera recorded everything while ago. I had it on 5 minutes, so I know everything at the truck it didn't get. But this is what I did a while ago. I just mixed everything up. Save half of that bag for the other spot. Put half of this bag and half of that trophy rock out here too. Save that. Get everything ready for the boys. They ain't got much time. Little Junior, he done had a baby, so I know he ain't got time to do this stuff, so I'll have everything right before season gets here, ready to go. That way they can just go hunting. They ain't gotta worry about nothing. They let me hunt here, so least I can do is put stuff out and have it ready for them to hunt. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, Vern? Put this back right here. I just pile it just like that. It all soaks in together. Put the cone out, change the batteries. On to the next spot. Wish I'd have bought these things. I showed it on the camera earlier, but wish I'd have bought these things years ago from Reveal, the tree mounts that goes with the cameras. That thing's slick, pops right on, and good to go. Put all this out right out here. Get that apple out there. Apple bottom flavor, bucks with the curls. Put this quick mount on here. Yeah, this thing's slick. Pops right on, just like that. Boom, ready to go. And you got a side adjustment, up and down adjustment. Yeah. And your strap just goes right around the back side. Make sure I got this right. It looks level. Should be good. Let's roll. Get these batteries up on the spot number 3. Alright, y'all, here's the 3rd spot. Old recurve spot. And they are digging the ground up, boy. Look at that. Let's go, dude. Heck yeah. They can come through here a lot. There's my recurve stand. It's about 12, 13 yards, something like that, to here. There's my camera. It's a good little spot. They really use it. They come through this gate. Boom, right here. But I ain't killed nothing here yet. Which I hadn't nothing come in worth shooting either. But I'll just drop this right back in here. I'll put that Big and J up under it, so maybe they'll dig around for it. I'll put all this around here. Oh yeah. Let's go. Oh, she got me. Swap these batteries out. Kind of anxious to see what's on this camera, because when they die, it don't send right many pictures. Sometimes they will the battery ain't strong enough to send it, so it won't let them know I'm here. Don't get scared. But a lot of times the camera won't send them because it ain't got enough battery. So, but it just stores them on the it stores them on the card, but it'll send them once you put new batteries in it. Probably ain't nothing but little peckerheads. Well, I did have one beautiful, crazy looking buck come in. Had like a drop tine and a bunch of weird stuff going on. We're gonna get this done and get up out of here. Get back toward the house. I think I got some ticks on me, so we ain't gonna be messing around long here. Alrighty. I always try to put this in backwards. Hopefully everything's still good. I didn't bring my phone with me to look at this one. So yeah, that's it. That's all 3 of my spots. I'll come back in another couple, 2 or 3 weeks and freshen them back up. And yeah, season's almost here. Ain't but 2 more months. But I like to keep something continuously going, just to keep them kind of in here. But there's my recurve stand. I don't know if y'all can see it right up in there. Like 12, 13 yards, ready to go. But yeah, let's get it. I'm gonna get up out of here, and hope y'all enjoyed the video. Figure I'd bring y'all along. This is what I do. Just out here doing deer stuff. So hope y'all enjoy. God bless. Catch y'all on the next one. Later.